With the all-new Linksys Cloud Manager 2.0, customizing a captive portal splash page is a cinch, whether you're the business owner or an MSP supporting many businesses. Simply log in to our free cloud management portal to use our built-in captive portal editor to create a unique splash page that's hosted in the cloud at no additional cost. Easily apply a unique splash page to a wireless SSID across multiple access points, or create many splash pages across multiple locations. Our editor is so easy to use, you'll have a custom splash page up and running in minutes. Add background pictures, logos, a welcome message, and a terms of service agreement in just a couple of clicks. Your splash page will automatically resize for mobile, tablet, and desktop views, so it will look great on any device. And that's it. A custom captive portal is a great way to engage customers through Wi-Fi with a beautiful branded experience while maintaining social distance. From a small coffee shop to a large multinational corporation, Linksys Cloud Manager 2.0 has all the tools you'll need to manage multiple locations around the world. And since it's scalable, you can easily create a custom captive portal for each additional location from the same centralized cloud management login. Linksys also offers end-to-end networking solutions for all types of small, medium, and larger businesses. This includes cloud-managed access points, Ethernet switches, and VPN routers.